Okay, so now let's start with the multiplication, and when I say multiplication, I mean to say repeated addition as well. So what do you mean when I say 9 into 3? That means that I am adding 9 3 times. So I am writing 9 plus 9 plus 9, or what could I do? I could add 3 9 times. But better way for me would be 9 into 3 to reduce my effort. So what should I say? With 9 being added 3 times in a 10-1 machine, so I have these 3 colors which are showing me 9 plus 9 plus 9, and then because it's a 10-1 machine, I have to explode 10 dots every time. So what should I do? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and when these 10 are gone, I can keep 1 here. Okay, and what about these? So I can take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and I can put 1 here, and that which has been exploded. And what am I left with? I am left with 2 dots of 10. So 2 dots of 10 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 dots of 1, which is actually 27. And I know that 9 into 3 is actually 27. Fair enough for the 10-1 machine. What happens when I have the same calculation in the 2-1 machine? We have already seen that the addition of the 10-1 machine is moving to 2-1 machine as it is. So let's see, do we have the verification of multiplication as well in 2-1 machine? So let's say now this becomes my 2-1 machine, and how would I represent 9 in this? What do you mean by 9? Representing 9 in a 2-1 machine. So I have a dot of 8 and I have a dot of 1, which is 8 and 8 plus 1, and that makes my code 1001, which when gets multiplied by 3, so what I need to actually do, I need to have 1 dot here and 1 dot here, and I need to have 1 dot here and 1 dot here. Fair enough. Now what do I do with these? Can I have these 3 dots here? I cannot have. So I'll just take these 2 dots and I'll explode this to 1 here. This is 0, fair enough. What about these 3 dots? I cannot have these 3 dots. So I'll take these 2 dots and explode to next place. What am I left with? I'm left with 1 dot of 16, 1 dot of 8, 1 dot of 2 and 1 dot of 1, which makes 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 2 is 26, 26 plus 1 is 27. Okay, so that means I can have the same result as 9 into 3 is 27 into 2-1 machine as well, and my code, but my representation would change, and that would become 1 dot for 16, 1 dot for 8, 0 dots for 4, 1 dot for 2 and 1 dot for 1, and which is the code for 27. Okay, what happens when I have the same thing but now I have 3-1 machine? How would I represent the number 9 in 3-1 machine? Well, that's simple to do that. This is my number 9. So my representation is 1 dot of 9. The representation is 1 0 0. But when I am multiplying by 3, that means I need to repeat the same thing 3 times. What happens now? Can I have these 3 dots here in this machine? I cannot have, because that's a 3-1 machine. So what do I need to do? I need to explode these 3 dots and take it to 1 to the next block. And we know that this is the 1 coin of 27, so that is same as saying 1 0 0 0, and that's 27 in 3 1 machine. What happens in 5 1 machine? Okay, so let me have a 5 1 machine here. Okay, so what's the code for 9 in 5 1 machine? I have 1 dot for 5 and I have 4 dots for 1. So 1 dot of 5 plus 2 dots of 4, which makes 9. That means the code is 1 4 for 9. I need to multiply this 3 times. So what do I need to do? I need to keep 1 here. I need to triple it. I need to triple these 4 dots as well. So I'll keep these 4 dots here, and this is twice, and I need to have 4 dots again. Okay. What I need to do, it's a 5 1 machine, so I need to take off 5 and explode 1 dot here. 1 2 3 4 5, and I'll put 1 here. I'll take off these 5 and put a 1. The next step, 1 2 3 4 5, I'll take these 5 and put a 1 here and move forward. I cannot have these 5 dots here, so I'll take these 5 dots and I'll put a 1 here. Okay, and what's my code? So I have 1 coin of 25 and 2 coins of 1, which makes the code as 102, which is same as 125, 26 and 27. And I'm fair enough, and that's like we have the same thing, same multiplication which is happening in the same way but with different representation in other machines than 10-1 machine. So let's see the next one, 8 into 5 into the next video. Thank you.